Look here now. Page number 343 in the material. Problem number 9. Problem number 9. Look here. According to this question, I clearly read the question first. The wave emitted by an atom or molecule. Just because I say accelerated charge, that means accelerated atom to produce the wave. Okay? By an atom or molecule must have some finite total length, which is known as coherent length. For sodium light, this length is 2.4 centimeter. Find the number of oscillations in the length. The question is, this is the wave. Now this is, look here, crust, trough, here to here. This is called wavelength. Okay, lambda. Crust, trough. This is called wavelength, lambda. Here, this is also crust, trough. This is called length is wavelength, lambda. What is the total length? Look here. Total length is lambda, lambda, lambda. Lambda plus lambda plus lambda. 3 lambda. 3 waves, 3 lambda. N waves, N lambda. What is the N? L by lambda. N is called number of waves. In the question, to determine number of waves, here L by lambda. Here L is given, total length is given in the question is 2.4 centimeter. Centimeter means 10 power minus 2 meter. By lambda is given 5,900 angstrom. Angstrom means 10 power minus 10 meter. Minus 10 meter. 1 angstrom, 10 power minus 10 meter. It will be solved to get the answer. Next question, 10th question. 10th question is, wave is propagating in the medium dielectric constant. Dielectric constant, other name is relative permittivity, is 2. Relative permeability is also given 50. Okay? Find wave impedance. Wave impedance in the medium equal to, we know that under root mu r by epsilon r into impedance in the free space. Okay, what is the mu r value? 50. What is the epsilon r value? 2. Medium impedance in the free space is 367.6. 50 by 2, 25. Root 25, 5 into 376.6. Impedance unit is nothing but the resistance. Resistance unit is ohm. Completed, Nana. Next, 11th problem is relative permeability. Relative permeability is 3 by 8. Okay, and again dielectric constant, that means relative permittivity is nothing but the 8. Find the refractive index. Refractive index formula N is under root mu r epsilon r. Here under root mu r value is 3 by 8. Epsilon r value is 8. 8 cancel. Root 3 we get 1.732. Okay. Next, here refractive index have no units because refractive index in transparent medium is Z free space by Z medium. Here Z resistance units is ohm. Here also Z resistance ohm. Ohm water cancel. That means refractive index always no units. Next, 12th question is very important question. Here electromagnetic wave frequency is given 3 megahertz. Mega means 10 power plus 6. Here this wave travel vacuum to okay, dielectric medium, that means vacuum to medium. Here given answer is epsilon r is 4 nana, then what happens to the frequency? Just previous concept I explained. Frequency is the fundamental property of source. So that's does not change. This is the source nana. This is accelerated source to produce a electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic wave is nothing but the light nana. Light nana. Here light frequency always constant. Its frequency does not change. B nana. What happens to the wavelength? What happens to the wavelength? We know that velocity of the wave formula is V equal to n lambda. According to this concept, n is a constant. Here V1 by V2 equal to lambda 1 by lambda 2. Okay? Here neatly write as ORR. For example, V2 by V1 equal to lambda 2 by lambda 1. Okay? Here lambda 2 by lambda 1 equal to V2. Second is medium. V medium by V1 is nothing but the V vacuum. V vacuum. Lambda 2 by lambda 1 equal to V vacuum by V medium is called as refractive index. This is right as 1 by n. But n value is under root epsilon r mu r. Given question mu r is not given. That means lambda 2 by lambda 1 equal to 1 by under root epsilon r. Epsilon r is given 4 nana. I take this is the transparent medium, that is mu r value is 1 by root 4. That means lambda 2 by lambda 1 equal to root 4 value 2. That means lambda 2 equal to lambda 1 by 2. That means simply lambda 2 equal to lambda 1 by 2. That means wavelength becomes half. Once again I repeat nana. V and n lambda. Frequency constant. So that's why simply it denoted V. Free refractive index definition is C air by C medium. It will be reversed. So 1 by n. N is called refractive index. Formula epsilon r into mu r. Transparent medium mu r value 1. So that's why epsilon r is there only. That means wavelength becomes half. Frequency does not change. Next question. Next question, question number 13. In the 30, maximum electrical field is given. Electrical field have maximum value is 750, and find the maximum value of magnetic field V0. C value, velocity of light in air or velocity of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. E0 is given, V0 is find. We know the relation E0 equal to CV0. What is the E0 value? 750. C value 3 into 10 power 8. V0 can be determined. Here 3, 250 nearly. V0 is nearly 2.5 micro Tesla. Micro means 10 power minus 6. Okay. Next problem 14. 14th problem. Look here. Here also E is given. E bar is given 6.3 J bar. Wave propagating along the x-axis I cap. Okay. Find B bar and we know the relation between E and B. E equal to CB. C value we know that 3 into 10 power 8. E value given. B can be determined. But direction also important. According to Maxwell theory, here wave propagation and electrical field and magnetic field both are perpendicular. Wave propagation x-axis, electrical field y-axis, automatically magnetic field acting on z-axis. Z unit vector is k cap. Okay, in the given option k cap is right. Okay. Next, here 17th problem, sorry, 16th, 15th problem, 15th. In the 15th, E0 is given. Electrical field was found to oscillate with an amplitude. Amplitude means maximum. E0 value is given 18. Find B0. B0 is formula is E0 by C. 18 by C value is 3 into 10 power 8. 6 into 10 power minus 8. This is the B0. Find here RMS of magnetic field is determined. BRMS is how much? Okay. Actually yesterday I discussed IRMS formula. You know that in the electricity I0 by root 2. VRMS formula V0 by root 2. Current voltage. Alane BRMS formula is B0 by root 2. Here B0 value 6 into 10 power minus 8 by root 2. Root 2 value 1.414 to solve to get the answer. Okay. Last problem 17th. 16th you will be solved in the material. Here wave propagating z direction. Which one of the following combination gives the correct possible direction of E bar and B bar respectively? Here 4 options is given. First option is minus 2i cap, minus 3j cap. This is E bar comma 3i cap minus 2j cap. This is B bar. Second option also 3i cap plus 4j cap comma 4i cap minus 3j cap. Third option is I cap plus 2j cap comma 2i cap minus j cap. Fourth option is 2i cap plus 3j cap comma I cap plus 2j cap. These 4 options, which is correct option or not? Actually, wave propagating along what axis? Z axis. Wave direction indicate pointing vector S bar equal to E bar cross H bar. H bar write as B bar by mu naught. Here, this S bar indicate wave propagation. First, verify this theorem E bar cross B bar em ravali ante S bar ravali. S bar endana Z indicate wave propagation direction. That means to determine E bar cross B bar in all options. First option E bar cross B bar means right det here I cap, J cap, K cap. Look here. First option I coefficient anta -2. J coefficient enta -3, K coefficient 0. Alane B chudu, B. I coefficient enta 3, J coefficient enta -2, K coefficient 0. ఇలా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇలా తీసుకోవాలన్న I cap, I కాలం క్లోజ్ చేసేస్తే క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లై హియర్ -3 into 0 -0 మైనస్ ఇదిగో అన్న 0 పెట్టి మైనస్ పెట్టాలి అన్న. ఇదిగో ఇట్లా తీసుకుంటారు ఏ బి సి డి క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లై ఏడి మైనస్ బీసీ మైనస్ పెట్టి 0 into ఎనీథింగ్ 0 I 0 అయిపోయింది. అయిన తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ ఏం రాయాలి? -j రాయాలి. -j రాస్తే ఈసారి ఏది క్లోజ్ చేయాలి? J క్లోజ్ చేయాలి అన్న. J క్లోజ్ చేస్తే ఏడి మైనస్ బీసీ అది కూడా 0 - 0 నాన్న 0 అయిపోయింది. ప్లస్ కే క్యాప్ అంటే ఇది క్లోజ్ చేసే. ఇది క్లోజ్ చేస్తే 2 -2 into -2 ప్లస్ 4 మైనస్ పెట్టి 3 into 3 9 -9 మైనస్ ఆఫ్ -9 ఎంత నాన్న +9. According to this option we get 13k plus k, that means positive z direction. That means wave propagating z direction. The first option is right option. First option is what are right option. And again here another formula also compulsory to verify. Here wave propagating, to check in this conditions, and again to check another condition also nana, simply nana a bar dot b bar formula is ab cos theta. Here a bar is electrical field, b bar is magnetic field. According to Maxwell theory, electrical field and magnetic field both are perpendicular, cos 90 0. That means simply call as E bar dot B bar becomes 0. First option, again verify. What is the E bar value? Minus 2i minus 3j dot. What is the B bar value? 3i minus 2j. Multiply here. Minus 2 into 3 minus 6. I dot I 1. Next jj multiply on dot product lo. Minus into minus plus. 3 into 2 6. Minus 6 plus 6 0. That means A bar dot B bar also 0. That means E bar electrical field and magnetic field both are perpendicular. Here in this method two conditions verified. What is the first condition? E bar cross B bar gives the direction of wave. Okay, this is the first condition. Second condition is E bar dot B bar emavallana 0. Two conditions satisfy. That option is correct option. In the question, first option, two conditions verify. So first option is correct option. First option is what nana? Correct option. To check them. Second option, third option, fourth option also you check. ఇట్లా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏం చెక్ చేయాలన్నా ఈ బార్ క్రాస్ హెచ్ బార్ అనేది ఎస్ రావాలి, అంటే వేవ్ ప్రాపగేటింగ్ రావాలి. అండ్ అగైన్ ఈ బార్ డాట్ బి బార్ ఏమవ్వాలి? 0. దీస్ టూ కండిషన్స్ సాటిస్ఫై. that option is correct option. Okay, next to see the assignment and to solve the assignment problems yesterday and today both days. And then